Morning children. Okay, already I completed first lesson Clever Tenali Ramakrishna. So clever Tenali Ramakrishna lesson is very nice, no ma? Okay, already I sent the question and answers, some textual grammar. Maybe you written in your classworks. Very good. So you do the work, okay ma? So if you do, you'll remember all the answers. But today I wanted to tell some textual grammar which is in first lesson. Okay, so that is number one is announcement. Number two, role play, just like a conversation. Okay. Third one, an unexpected reward, that is a story. Then fourth one, pronunciation of P and another P also, how we are going to pronounce. Okay. So first one is the announcement. Maybe when we go to the station and bus stand and some functions, maybe any marriage functions or birthday functions, any function, some announcements will be there. At the railway station, this is the announcement, please be alert. So they will be attentive, alert. That means we'll see like this, what is this? So actually when we were in the railway station, what is the announcement we are going to hear? The train is going to start. Maybe the train is going to late 2 hours, 3 hours, like that. So that is the announcement given by the railway department. Then when you are in the function, sometime when there is a big function, birthday function, marriage function or any function, we are losing keychains and chains and the ring, and small children also, they lose their parents. So somebody brought that people to the who is giving the notice. So they will announce so and so, the boy wore red shirt and something, who is the parents of the come and take the boy. Like that, they will be giving the announcements. The announcements will be in different ways. So station announcement is the attention. Maybe in the MG Mall, then what the Reliant. When we go, they will be announcing something, no ma. So please, the electrician come and meet platform 2, like that. So these are known as the announcement. And second one, the role play. Role play means just like a conversation. You and your mother, you and your father, you and your stranger. So what we are going to talk between these two people, what we are going to talk, that is known as the role play. This is the role play is known as a conversation. So let us read. Afterwards, I'll ask you to write the conversation between the, what is in our first lesson, Tenali Ramakrishna and then Krishna Deva Raya. So you have to write in your own sentences. Okay, ma? So easily. So what Tenali Raman told and what Krishna Deva Raya told, between these two, what they are going to talk, that is known as the conversation. Okay. Now here, what is the role play? Here I read. Be careful. You listen carefully and try to write what I gave that one. Okay. Help me, please. First, the girl asking, help me, please. If you are somewhere, you don't know the way, you don't know your parent, somewhere your parent, you are somewhere. So you are asking one person, please help me. I don't know where is the way to go, my house. Like that, you are asking like that. Here also, starting, help me, please. Here, we are going to see the policeman and girl. Policeman and girl. Between these two, they are going to talk. The girl asking, help me please. Then policeman asking, who are you, little girl? Who are you, little girl? Policeman asking. What the girl saying? My name is Rishika. How politely she is giving the answer to policeman, no more. Then why you are asking me? No, I won't tell. Not like this. So what the girl saying? My name is Rishika. Then again policeman, why are you standing here alone? What about your parents? Like that, policeman asking Rishika. Then Rishika saying, I am lost. I am lost. So for example, they went, maybe you think like that, they went to exhibition. Exhibition will be more people, no more. So she was observing something, parents are in somewhere. So like that, the Rishika lost parents. What Rishika saying? I lost my parents. Then policeman, oh, is it? Why did you come here? Why did you come here? Rishika, I came here with my parents to see the exhibition. So just now I told no. I came along with my parents to see the exhibition. Then policeman, come. I will help you to find your parent. Okay, I will help. Come, we go to find out your parent. Like that, policeman saying, Rishika, sorry. My parents and teachers advised me not to go with the strangers. Maybe parents and elders also saying, no, don't take any sweet if anybody give. Like that, teachers and parents also saying, don't go along with the new people. Like that, we say. So, the Rishika also saying the same reason. My parents, my teachers told, don't go along with the stranger. Here, in the sight of the Rishika, policeman was the stranger. That's what she was giving the answer directly. No, I won't come along with you. My teachers and parents told like that. Then Rishika, policeman, I will not harm you. Policeman understood because their duty is that only, So I won't harm you, my dear Rishika. I won't harm you. You know, I am a policeman. I am not a stranger. My duty is to help the people. I am a policeman. Rishika, oh, okay. Then I will give you my father's phone number. Please call him. Okay, otherwise I won't do it. You are saying you are a policeman, no? I will give number. Please, you contact my father. Like that, she given phone number to policeman. Then policeman, that's good. I will call your father. Rishika, thank you, sir. See, what is the conversation, ma'am? So, have you understood? This is the conversation. Okay, one act to play. So, what the policeman and what is the Rishika? With these two, what they are talking, that is known as the conversation. Okay, now we'll come to the verb. Here, P, it used as a PH and P used as a F. What are the words? I will pronounce. Let you listen carefully. What we get the sound down, they gave one just like some passage. You have to write down which P is giving the P sound and another one F sound. You have to write on the word. Okay. Parrot, parrot, PH. Parcel, parcel. Pencil, happy. Paper, pie, cap, trip, tap. All these P's given the sound PH. Parrot, we are not saying fa. Parrot. Now we come to the another one. This P is giving the sound F. Photo, phone, phrase, alphabet, not alphabet, alphabet. Elephant, dolphin, graph, triumph, epitome. So these are all P give the F sound. Okay, ma, have you understood? You have to remember while you are pronouncing this word, which is the P sound and which is the F sound. You have to write in this passage what are the P sound and what are the F sound. Above the word, you have to mention P and F. Okay, have you understood how to pronounce this one? No? So you be careful while you're pronouncing. Now, I am going to give one small story of the unexpected reward. Reward means just like a gift. No, just like a prize. What is the unexpected one? So here, one story was there. Three persons we are going to say in this story. Number one is the son and grandfather and farmer. So one day, the son and farmer were going on the way. Suddenly, they saw one farmer was working hard in his field. So, before going to the field, what the farmer was doing, he was keeping his tone. Tone means not good one. Tone shirt and shoes also tone one. He was keeping beside back side of the tree. This is the tree. Back side of the tree he was keeping. Also every day. So one day Son and grandfather, while they were going, they saw the farmer was keeping these torn shoes and shirt backside of the tree. And suddenly, what the little boy got the idea, no? He was saying then grandfather, shall I tell one story? Shall I tell one idea? What is that idea? Grandfather, this man was keeping the torn shoes and shirt backside of the tree, no? Shall I take it and keep somewhere? I'll make it fun. I'll make it fun. But what the grandfather saying? No. That was not the fun. That was you're hurting the farmer. He was a poor. We should not hurt the poor. Anybody's heart, we should not hurt. When you hurt, that hurt became the poisonous one. So my dear grandson, don't do like that. You do one thing, instead of keeping the things, instead of taking the things from that place, what will you know? He given one advice. Grandfather, what is advice? See how nicely, how politely grandson was asking. So instead of keeping, you can keep some coins, some rupees, some coins inside of the shoe. Instead of taking and keeping somewhere, you are hurting the farmer. Don't do like that. Instead of that, in the place of that, you keep some coins inside of the shoe. Okay, this is a great idea, good idea, grandfather. Like that, he took and kept some coins inside of the shoe. As soon as farmer completed his work, so as usual, he came and taking the shoe and shirt. Then he kept his leg. It is looking very heavy one. So he bent and kneeling down and was looking what was inside. What was inside? So he searched and took some coins. Really, he said thanks to God. Oh God, really, you sent a messenger and gave these coins to me. Really, I was in needy. You're a great one. Like that, he was praying to God. He was saying thanks to God. Oh God, really, you're a God. Now I was so troubled, so needy. Now I got the money with your messenger. Who was the messenger here? The little boy. Little boy kept the coin without knowing. But he thought that was the reward come from the God. Then what that one, last one, what a beautiful one is this here. Now last sentence what they gave, Then he walked home taking the coin and started to home. Overjoyed. He was not crying. Overjoyed. He does not know to whom to tell. This greatest reward, how he got the reward, really he was overjoyed. The boy felt proud. The boy was feeling so happy. Instead of this, when he done what he got that idea, how it is too awkward, no, but don't do like that. Whenever there is any person, any poor people, we have to help, but not to make fun of them, not to hurt to anyone. Okay, ma? So if you hurt the people, when you see them, when they see them, when you see you, they will be feeling, oh, this boy making me like this, the boy hurted me like that. They will think. So instead of that, if you have, they will be saying to all people. But here, the boy was so proud and happy. But nowadays, no one listens to the grandparents. At least parents, what they won't listen. But here the boy listened what grandfather told. Now he was feeling so proud and happy. Really, I have done a great job. What was the job here? To help the farmer. Okay. So happy is the grandfather said. Grandson. Here grandfather saying to grandson. The path to happiness is to make others happy. We should not hurt. We should not fun. But instead of that too, you make them happy. not to make them unhappy. You make them happy. My dear grandson, really you are a good boy. You make farmer happy. You listen to my word. Like that, grandfather also felt happy and son also felt happy. Why grandson felt happy? By doing the great job. Really, that is the good deed. That is the good deed. Whenever you have get an opportunity, you help the poor people. That is only great deed, ma. Okay, so try to do only good but not the bad. Have you understood the story, ma? Okay, so announcement at what places you are going to do, what was the announcement? Okay, then role play between the Rishika and the policeman. And unexpected reward, just now I told the story. Three persons saw the grandson, grandfather and farmer. How the farmer got the reward, by whom, you have to remember. Then pronunciation of the P and yeah, these are the words. Okay, now I give one homework, that is here page at 13, sorry ma'am, page at 12, page at 11, here they gave one passage. Here what are the words? You give the P sound and F sound, you underline it and write above the word. Then next one, you write the conversation between Tenali and Krishna Devaraya. You understood the lesson, Noma? What Tenali told, what Krishna Devaraya. From where you have right now? When Krishna Devaraya appointed Chaitra Varma as the advisor, from that onwards, what Tenali told, what Krishna Devaraya told. Then why people came to Tenali, what he got the idea, why he called the Krishna Devaraya to his house. So from that you have to write in what was the conversation between the Tenali and Krishna Devaraya. Can you do, ma? Okay, is it easy? You practice it. How to write the conversation. So I'll write on the blackboard. Conversation between clever Tenali and Krishna Devaraya. Okay? Is it clear, ma? Have you understood? What you know, don't take any help from the parent. You write what you understood, what is the lesson I taught. You have to remember all the points. I told you, after appointed Chaitra Varma as an advisor. Don't take that part. From that part down you come and write what is the conversation between the Chaitra Varma and the Sri Krishna Devaraya. Okay, bye.
Ma'am.